Students, let me explain you that how to split media clips. You can easily split your video clip into more parts and apply the animation effects to it. To split the video clip, place the clip into the timeline. Position the black cursor where you would like to split the clip. Click on the split button present on the Edit tab under Video Tools. Students, let's learn how to save a movie. Once all the media files are imported into the project, save it by clicking on the File tab and selecting the Save Project option, or selecting the Save Project option from the Quick Access toolbar. The Save Project dialog box will appear. Specify the desired name in the file name box and click on the Save button. Students, let's know more. While saving the movie, you can choose the output settings by clicking on the arrow present on the Save Movie button. It allows you to optimize the movie for a particular set of devices such as Android phone, Windows phone, high definition display, email, etc. Students, let me tell you how to export a movie. After adding videos, images and sound to our storyboard, let us learn how to export the movie. Follow the steps to export and save the movie. Select the video clip. Click on the Home tab and select the Save Movie button present on the Share group. Note that if you click on the drop-down arrow next to the Save button, you will get a list of different video formats in which you can save your movie. The Save Movie dialog box will appear. Specify the name, say Wildlife, in the file name box. Click on the Save button. The Movie Maker processing bar will appear on the screen, which will display the progress of the export process. After the process is complete, Windows Movie Maker will display a dialog box. Click on the Play button. The movie will play in the default media player of Windows. Alright students, let me tell you how to publish a movie. After giving a final shape to your movie, you can publish or share it to make it available to a wider range of audience. You can publish it to online hosts like Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, etc. Share and publish are used interchangeably in Movie Maker. To publish your movie, follow the below given steps. Click on the File tab. Point to the Publish Movie and from the cascading menu choose any web service like OneDrive, Facebook, Flickr, etc. you would like to publish your movie to. Or choose any online service from the Share group on the Home tab. We have chosen OneDrive. The Movie Maker dialog box will appear asking to choose the resolution of your movie. The Movie Maker also recommends a quality best for each web service. Click on the desired resolution. Another screen appears where you are asked to sign into your Microsoft account. In the next screen, you are asked to select an album in which your selection will be uploaded. After selecting the album, click on the Publish button. The process of publishing starts. In the end, you will get a final screen notifying you about the successful completion of the process. Now you can sign into your Microsoft account anytime and play your movie. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Windows Movie Maker is a free yet a powerful video editing software created by Microsoft. Windows Movie Maker allows you to directly download audio files from popular online stores such as Audio Micro and Vimeo Music Store. Transitions are applied to add visual effects to the movie. These are used to add connectivity to the consecutive scenes of a movie. Visual effects are used to add special effects to both photos and videos. These effects enhance the appeal of the movies and include choices for making color effects. Titles, captions, and credits add text-based information to the movie. The trimming clips in your sequence is a worthwhile facility to reduce the duration of a video clip.